Now let's see that what are the rules in order to obtain image from the convex mirror. So the first rule, this is my convex mirror. Again, I'm just completing it first. Polished surface, because reflection is going to occur from outside, we know that. This is our principal axis, focus and C. So now suppose a ray coming parallel to the principal axis. This ray is coming parallel to the principal axis. So after reflection it is going to diverge but appears to pass through F. We will see that. That means a ray coming parallel to principal axis after reflection, because it is a diverging mirror, so after reflection it will diverge but appear to pass through F, appear to pass through this. Next we have is the another rule. First let me complete this. This is a principal axis. So a ray, suppose there is a ray which appeared to be coming from C, because it's not actually coming, it appears to be coming from C. So it just retraces its path. So a ray appeared to be coming from C rebounds back. The same thing happened in that case also, but there the ray was actually coming from C and here the rays appear to be coming from C. Now again the third rule, let's complete first. Suppose there is a ray which strikes the pole at certain angle, so by the same angle it get reflected back. The same rule. There also when the ray was striking the pole, it was striking at certain angle and through the same angle it was being reflected. Same thing happened here, when it strikes the pole at certain angle it gets reflected back by the same angle. Right. Now we will draw a ray diagram. Just look at the board.